legal counsel. Can you address?
Thutha wa kuhagurwo kwa mwandiki MUKARU ministry-ini ya ugima wa mwiri JOSPHINE MBURU na murugamiriri munene wa KEMSA RAMADHAN magikuruhanio na NGUKUMIO ya uguri wa neti cia RWAGI umuthi nimekinyirie mbere ya kamiti ya Senate igi ugima wa mwiri GUITHERIA.
Factored in the
JOSPHINE ure uma wa mbere kuhugwo mahuri-ini atariirie we ndoe kiria afuteirwo kuona ndari handu akuruhanirio thogore-ini yo yothe guku akiuga we no marwandikire KEMSA kumatariria hari na undu matathingatite kandarathi-ini yo na matigana kumucokeria no amakire kuona ni afutwo wira kugerera nyumba cia mohoro hatari kuheo mweke wa gwitariria.
We need to know what advice was the president given for him to go and say, Josephine, you are involved in this tender. And to my best of ability or knowledge, I have nothing.
JOSPHINE uri utungatite ministry-ini yo kwa ihinda ria miaka 34 ni ongereire kuga we ndari na mundu kana kambuni o yothe endagirira iheo wira no ageragia kuona bururi no wagura neti cia gikiro kia iguru niguo kuhurana na murimu wa malaria.
So can we be that
handu-ini hake tere ni atitirithitie gutire mbeca ciorire hindi ya uheani wa kandarathi iyo kuona yakanjirwo itambitie. Kuringana nake mahitia maria morotirwo ni gikundi gia kuheana uteithio gia Global Fund titumi njiganu cia gukanjwo gwa kandarathi iyo riu akiuga na kubutwo gwake kuri na nganja.
There doesn't seem to be anything apparent in how we handled this tender process that warrants the treatment that we have received. There was no unprocedural act, none that I know of. There was no loss of money. The nets, as it were, are coming in schedule.
Ona kuri uguo tere ni ahithuritie ruhonge rwa KEMSA ni rukoretwo rugumirwo ni ngucanio cia utongoria kuma kiambiriria-ini kia mwaka uyu. Wa mbere wari kwamurwo kwa bodi igiri na andu ngurani kurugamirira KEMSA ni Minister Nakumicha undu uria wacungirire kigagayo mbere ya minister acokete gukanja maritwa mamwe. Keri ni ngucanio gatagati ka andiki a KARU ministry-ini yo JOSPHINE MBURU na muruna we Peter Tum aria macindanagira KEMSA iri rungu rwau guku akihithuria minister ni amwandikire marua akimwira ndagacoke kwaraniria na JOSPHINE maundu megie KEMSA no arutithanagie wira na Tum. Wakumakania ni tari kuburania minister Nakumicha ni akoretwo na kambuni na andu akoretwo akienderera maheo mawira kana biacara ruhonge-ini rwa KEMSA. Kuringana na Terry, muthia-ini wa mwaka muhituku Nakumicha ni amwirire hari na kambuni ya guthondeka mitambo ya kiriu arendeheane motungata matari marihi magukura ni kambuni iriku irirutaga wira KEMSA no akirega kumiyukia.
That conversation started in December, where the CS informed me that there was a company that would be able to offer a service to KEMSA for free for pre-qualification of tenders. I asked the CS to tell me what free meant, because from my understanding, there's a procedure for gifting government.
Tere ni atemanirie marua andikirwo ni Nakumicha makumenyithania na mundu uretwo Ken Ogora akiuga ni amui wega na uguo Tere amenye uria Ogora eguteithika. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.